Hey friends, I am here with the 7th entry into my Zodiac nail art series, which is Scorpio for the month of November. So let's get started. Starting off with these as my base colors, I'm going to put a golden border in the base of my pinky and my point of fingers. Now writing the word Scorpio using black nail paint. Using golden nail paint to draw a Scorpio sting-like feature and then bordering it with black. Here I am drawing the Scorpio symbol. Now across the middle and the ring fingers, I will draw a scorpion which Scorpio represents. As I have done for the other zodiac symbols too, I will be drawing the zodiac constellation on this thumb, and this is the Scorpio constellation. Finally dotting on some stars similar to the nail in my dotting tool. So that was it for today. This is dedicated to all the Scorpio people out there. So please like, comment and share this video. And also do follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I keep posting different types of nail art and swatches. And also, if you haven't watched the rest of my Zodiac nail arts, then please do so by going to my Zodiac nail art playlist. So that's it. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.